Varinder Chawla, known for his relentless coverage of Bollywood stars, did not hold back when he shared his thoughts on some of the industry's biggest names. Let's dive into what he had to say. First on his list was actress Taapsee Pannu. Chawla labeled her as the rudest celebrity he has encountered. He said, and I quote, "Taapsee Pannu is the rudest celebrity I have met." This statement has sparked a lot of discussions online, with fans and critics weighing in on Chawla's remark. Next, Chawla turned his attention to Ajay Devgan, describing him as fake. He said, "Ajay Devgan is the fakest celebrity in Bollywood." This bold statement has certainly raised eyebrows, considering Devgan's long-standing reputation in the industry. The internet is buzzing with mixed reactions to Chawla's criticism. Chawla also mentioned South Indian superstar NTR, stating, "NTR is not respectful." These words have ignited a wave of responses from NTR's loyal fan base, who are defending their favorite actor vehemently. Chawla's comments have not only created a media frenzy but also opened up a conversation about the interactions between celebrities and paparazzi. While some support Chawla's candidness, others believe that his statements were uncalled for and harsh. The reactions from fans and fellow celebrities have been pouring in. Many fans of Taapsee Pannu, Ajay Devgan, and NTR have taken to social media to express their discontent with Chawla's remarks. On the other hand, some supporters believe that the paparazzo is merely sharing his personal experiences and should be allowed to speak his truth. On social media, users have been divided. One user tweeted, "Varinder Chawla should focus on his job and stop criticizing celebs," while another said, "It's refreshing to see someone speak openly about their experiences with Bollywood stars." This incident has also sparked a larger debate about the relationship between celebrities and the media. Many are questioning whether it's fair for paparazzi to publicly criticize celebrities, or if it's part of their job to share their experiences. Varinder Chawla is no stranger to controversy. As one of Bollywood's most prominent paparazzi, he has often found himself at the center of celebrity feuds and media debates. His recent comments have only added to his reputation as a bold and outspoken figure in the industry. As for Taapsee Pannu, Ajay Devgan, and NTR, none of them have responded publicly to Chawla's statements as of now. It remains to be seen if they will address these criticisms or let their silence speak for itself.